Do you think this is good cutting because it's fast? I was just pretending to be good. I wasn't using the edge properly. Just swing it like an axe. But busy restaurants have no choice, right? Correct, I understand. I was the same way. You feel the rush, so you just chop as fast as you can. But this happens because you started working before your proper skill were ingrained in your body. If you build a habit, good technique comes out naturally even when busy. Today, I will show you one training drill. 10 minutes is enough. Just one thing today. We will only practice the diagonal push cut. Let's get into it. In the last video, I explained how to use knives based on their shape. If you master this push cut, other skills become much easier to learn. No complex theory today, we focus on only the drill. If you haven't seen the theory video, watch it after this. The link is up there. Okay, ingredients on the board, clear them all. We practice empty cutting first. I recommend the gyuto knife with a gentle curve. It fits this method well. First, relax your hand. Use pinch grip. Hold it lightly, just enough not to drop it. Now, push the knife back to front. The tip touches the board first. The heel touches the last. It's not hard. Make a rhythm. Push forward and down. Tick, pull back and up. Top. Tick, top. Relax and keep it light. Do this for 1 minute a day. Your hands will learn it in 2 to 3 days. Is your hands used to the rhythm? Now, get a cabbage. It's cheap and easy to adjust. Stage 1. Cut just one leaf. It's easier when food is low and narrow. Don't try to cut thin at first. Just focus on constant thickness. After cutting, always check if the thickness is even. Practice this for 10 minutes daily. Until you get used to it. When stage 1 feels natural, move to stage 2. Stage 2, roll one leaf just like stage 1. This time, try to cut it as thin and even as possible. Don't worry about the speed. Focus on the rhythm, the blade movement, and your guide hand. Relax your hand and shoulder as much as possible. Same as stage 1, repeat it for about 10 minutes daily until you get used to it. Stage 3. Increase the width and height. Stack 2 or 3 cabbage leaves, then slice them as thin as possible. You might want to go fast here, but I recommend cutting as slow as possible. Higher foot means lifting the knife higher. It's easy to cut your guide hand. Repeat slowly until you get comfortable. Again, practice for 10 minutes daily until it feels natural. Stage 4. Cut a quarter of the cabbage. With this thickness, the top and bottom cut might look different. This happens if the knife doesn't go down straight. To check this, start stage 4 by thick cut. When you can cut straight, then try the thin cut. If you can cut thin with a steady rhythm, then increase the speed. If you can do stage 4 with rhythm, your knife skill problems are over. Even 5 minutes a day is fine. Just do it daily until your hands learn. You decide how many days to practice. This is not race. Just take your time until you get used to it. The professional chefs don't just cut fast. They cut with a constant rhythm. Many people want to copy that fast chopping sound of chefs on the YouTube. But you must accept the speed is the result, not the process. Honestly, cutting cabbage for 10 minutes every day can be boring. But If you enjoy this boring time, you will finally stop wasting the expensive blade and use it properly. Invest enough time. Your career won't end in just 1 to 2 years. As your skills grow, you will wonder about better gear, right? Let's talk about that next time. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. Stay sharp.